Jiaxing Goshen Hardware Company Limited, is located in Jiaxing Intelligence Innovation Park. The city is famous as the hometown of Fasteners. It close to Hangzhou Bay Bridge, Shanghai Port, and Jiaxing Zhapu Port, which make it have strategic and convenient transportation. Our company is specialized in exporting all kinds of fasteners, including hex bolt, flang bolt, carriage bolt, hex nut, flang nut, self-tapping screws, self-drilling screws, machine screws, threaded rod and washers, etc. Our target is doing whatever we can do to meet different customers' need. The main customer come from Europe, Southeast Asia, America, Latin America, and Middle East. Our products are according with standards of DIN, ANSI, BS, JIS, and ISO. Many customers who are the main importers in the international markets are united in praise for the quality of our products. Our company not only has excellent quality and humanized management, but also has outstanding foreign trade salesmen to supply best service for our customers. And our partner factory has advanced equipment. Please trust us. Quality first and customer service first is our tenet and goal. And all this time, we are devoting ourselves to develop products for customers' requirements and establish a long-term business relation with our esteemed customers. We sincerely hope to cooperate with clients from home and abroad in order to see common developments. If you have any interest in our company and products, please feel free to contact us at any time. We look forward to cooperating with you and providing you with satisfactory products and services.